A very good morning, students, and giving you an hearty welcome. This is Miss Nandini Devi, who is HM of Sri Krishna Swami Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Hereafter, I am going to teach you physics for your 11th standard and your 12th standard. So that is why I give a warm welcome to all the students. Despite the lockdown, study should not be affected. That is our motive. So we should cross all the barriers in the life and achieve whatever you are in need of. So now, seeking the blessings of God Almighty, all are entering into the higher secondary development. That is, which is called as career development years. These 2 years are called as career development years. Your 10th standard is required only to choose your group. So by this time, all have chosen your group, whatever you wanted. But 12th standard is not like that, children. 12th standard, where you need to choose your future. What is your future is nothing but your job. And that depends upon the college that you choose and the course that you choose. So take it from me. It's not said by me, it is said by my teachers, where always there are 4 types of choice. You can relate this to your life or to your future or to your job also. Always it's a first choice which will be a good course in a good institution. That is the best future that you can have. That is taken by a good student who always works hard with sincerity, will definitely get that course. Second one, which is a good course in some available institutions. But there also you have value because the course has its own value. Because of that you will be successful. The third one, which is an available course but in a good institution. That there also you will have a good future because the institution has its own value. Because of that you will surely get a job. But the last one, where it is some course in some available institution. Just for the sake of a degree, you may enter into some college. Naturally, even to your job also, it may sometimes, not always, sometimes it may be even like that. But we want all our students to be there in the best jobs, that is best course in a best institution, for which what is required? A sincerity and hard work will surely lead to that choice of your future. So your future is in your hand. So try to understand that and be responsible and do a sincere hard work. Surely you will get your first. All humans are born to achieve. So everything can be achieved, children. But how to achieve that? That is what is more important. You should know that 5 steps to be successful in your life. First one is to have a goal. Definitely, surely, only when you have a goal, you will do hard work and you can reach the destination, isn't it? So you should possess a goal. Next one is to have a knowledge about it. What's the meaning of that is, if you need to get into a job, you should first find out what is the requirement for that and how you should study and what should be the criteria to get into the job. So all those things are called as knowledge. So knowledge, you should have a knowledge about it. But having knowledge alone cannot be that you cannot be successful, for which what is required is a sincere hard work. Always hard work goes without saying that it should be a sincere work. So a sincere hard work with a persistent mind. That is, always when you do a work, what may happen is sometimes you may not be successful. For that you should change your mind. So you should have a persistent mind to achieve it. And very important aspect, to have a good association. A good association should be a positive association. Only then you can achieve it. If it is going to be a negative association, what happens is that ultimately it will be a zero. Wherever you are, you will stay in that place itself. You cannot move forward. So all these 5 steps leads to one success. So remember this for anything in your life. Now, what kind of goal you should fix? Because this is what is said by our teachers, always have a plan for your 10 years, but that's a long term goal. But to achieve that long term goal, you should have small goals in your life. Any goal should be a SMART goal. What do I mean? A SMART goal is a specific goal and a measurable goal. It should be an attainable goal, not like a dreaming goal cannot be successful, isn't it? It cannot be achieved. Surely it should be a realistic goal and a time bound. What's the meaning of time bound is you fix a time by which you complete it. Even while studying also you can do the same. You fix a time within which you should surely complete it. Even that also may be a goal in your life. So goal says not only job, even being a good son and daughters are also an important goal in your life. So always plan for 10 years from now. Hard work hard towards it, achieve it. But that is not a destination. You shouldn't sit back after reaching that. Again what you do? Again you set a goal. Again you plan for all the things whatever is required. That is for 10 years. And then naturally you will lead a peaceful life. So be successful in life. We wanted all our students to lead a successful life in their future. So what is required now is be responsible student of the institution and also of the family. Later naturally you will be a good citizen of this nation, and then may God bless you all. So as of now, download your physics book and be ready for the next.